Man, today's a busy day from Monday. A lot of new tools being released. I just did a video earlier today on a different brand. I'm going to do another one later today on a different brand. But if you're in the DeWalt platform, you're going to be pretty happy, especially if like you're a mechanic, HVAC, somebody that needs ratchets. They release a couple new tools and we're just going to get into it. So let me show you what we're talking about here. All right, so again, right off the presses, hot off the presses, DeWalt releases a few different ratchets, and these are sealed head ratchets. I'll talk about that here in a second. But the sizes, if you're wondering, the 20 volt max, you're looking at the 3/8 and a half inch, so the larger sizes. And then they got the 12 volt max, a little bit more compact, a 1/4 inch and 3/8 of an inch ratchets. And what's nice about this is these are sealed heads. Now, they're not the only ones to ever do this. They're not the only ones on the market to have the sealed head. But what's nice about this is if you have, fluids, chemicals that you're dealing with, you're working with motor oils, you're in maintenance, and you're using something corrosive. If this stuff gets down into your tools, it will ruin the tools. And that, my friends, that's not real nice. Like, so what this does is it has extra protection. So think about your cameras. If you to go out in the rain, you buy a cheaper camera. Well, you get rain in it, it destroys the camera. But a lot of the times, if you spend more on a camera, you'll get that rain or water resistance, and it won't allow that weather to get in. But you're paying a little bit more for it. But it also does something else. We'll get to it. The new sealed head ratchets are designed with features in mind for our users' most demanding jobs. The innovative sealed head design and glass-filled nylon tool housing helps provide protection against oils and automotive solvents, meeting the needs of pros across the industry. Now, what I like about this is the new interchangeable anvil design allows users to quickly switch between square drives in both models, in addition to a 1/4 inch quick change hex with the XTREME 12 volt max model to complete a variety of applications. The low profile head, which is nice, offers accessibility in tight workspaces. They also got a variable speed trigger, a forward, a reverse, which allows users to quickly change speed and direction to maximize productivity. The ratchets also feature a trigger lock that helps prevent accidental activation and an onboard LED light to help illuminate the dark area. Now, we have a couple pictures for this right here. Right there. We got one 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 right here. We got one right there. And FYI, I really do like this. I really think this is cool. And we got a couple more right there. Well, they got a lot of pictures in here. I mean, these look heavy duty. I'll tell you, I'm going to be straight out with you. Again, the DeWalt ratchets are no joke. They're extremely powerful ratchets. Extremely powerful. They're real nice like. Now, when you're talking about torque, you got some pretty impressive numbers here. The brushless motor, 75 foot-pounds of max torque on a no-low speed. Of 0 to 300 RPM, and that's the XR model. And then the model of 50 foot-pounds of max torque and no low speed of 0 450 RPM in the XTREME. Now, these are available in a couple places. To give you an idea, so the 1/2 inch, 3/8, this is the 20 volt, you're looking around $249, so $250. The 12 volt, I can't find the price anywhere, so you're probably looking around like $200 for that, because 12 volt, a little less powerful, even though it's still 50 foot-pounds. A little less powerful, so you're probably looking around $200 for that. Now, I will say that I'm happy to see this. If you're a DeWalt user, any new tool coming out to the market from them, you're probably happy about it, because they've been very quiet lately. They haven't been releasing as some other brands have been. So anytime you see a new tool, I guess you're happy, and it shows that they're still innovating. I'm curious to know what you think on these tools. The ratchets look legit, and again, I have other ratchets from DeWalt that work fantastic and are extremely powerful. I believe they're 75 foot-pounds as well. They're just very, very strong. So I'm curious to know what you think. Let me comment in the comment section below, and look for the third video today for Milwaukee IA. Some people know it as a Milwaukee tool. Check these videos out right here. Back with more videos soon.